In this industrial goat farming system, goats are carefully grouped by age and size to ensure better feeding control.
Proper ventilation, clean bedding, and constant access to feed and water are essential parts of this industrial goat farm.
Before joining the main herd, every goat stays in quarantine, where its health, behavior, and appetite are carefully observed.
This isolation period allows African American male farm workers to monitor each goat closely, ensuring
Measured feed portions are delivered on schedule, so every goat receives balanced nutrition, supporting steady growth and overall herd health.
A consistent feeding schedule, clean housing, and easy access to water keep the goats calm, healthy, and productive throughout the day.
breeding is carefully planned and recorded so the goats reproduce in a controlled manner, maintaining herd quality and predictable kidding cycles.
A calm environment, proper space, and constant monitoring help ensure successful breeding and healthy future goats for the farm.
During kidding, mother goats and their newborn kids are kept in separate clean pens to ensure warmth, safety, and close
The first hours after birth are crucial, so the goats and their kids remain in a calm, clean space where
Young goat kids are kept in a separate nursery where feed, water, warmth, and space are carefully adjusted to support healthy early growth. Separate nursery care allows the goat kids to grow safely with easy access to feed and water, reducing stress and supporting steady development. Regular weighing and identification help track each goat's growth, ensuring early detection of health issues and steady development across the herd.
Consistent monitoring, clean surroundings, and proper records keep every goat's health status clear and manageable for the farm team.
The milking process is designed to be clean, gentle, and efficient, allowing goats to be milked regularly.
A systematic milking routine keeps the goats comfortable while ensuring clean milk collection in a controlled environment. A systematic milking routine keeps the goats comfortable while ensuring clean milk collection in a controlled environment. Sorting allows the farm team to separate goats by age, size, and purpose, making management, feeding, and marketing far more efficient.
Careful sorting ensures the right goats move to the right section, keeping the entire farming operation organized and efficient.
Careful handling and guided pathways allow the goats to be loaded safely, minimizing stress during transport from the farm.
Proper space, ventilation, and calm movement ensure the goats remain safe and comfortable as they are prepared for transport. Goat manure and used bedding are collected daily and moved to a composting area where the waste is naturally recycled into useful organic fertilizer.
Through regular turning and moisture control, the goat waste transforms into nutrient-rich compost that can be reused as organic fertilizer.
Proper storage, labeling, and inventory control keep the goat feed fresh, traceable, and ready for daily use across the farm.
An orderly feed storage system ensures every goat receives consistent nutrition without delay or contamination.
A continuous clean water supply is essential, so every goat has easy access to fresh drinking water at all times.
This simple but effective system keeps the goats hydrated without waste, maintaining cleanliness inside the pens. Proper ventilation keeps fresh air moving through the shed, reducing heat, moisture, and odors while keeping the goats comfortable.
Steady airflow inside the shed helps control temperature and humidity, keeping the goats relaxed and the environment fresh. Accurate records of every goat help the farm track breeding, health, feeding, and overall performance with precision.
Good record keeping allows the farm to make informed decisions that improve goat health, productivity, and overall management.
Regular vaccinations and timely treatment protect the goats from disease, keeping the entire herd healthy and productive. A calm setting and gentle handling reduce stress, making healthcare routines easier for both the goats and the farm team.
Regular grooming keeps the goats clean, reduces parasites, and helps maintain healthy skin and coats.
A clean goat is healthier, more comfortable, and easier to manage within the farming system.
Regular movement in an open paddock helps the goats stay active, improving muscle strength and overall well-being.
This open space allows the goats to move freely while still remaining within the controlled farm environment.
Fresh green fodder is cut into small pieces so the goats can eat it easily and digest it more efficiently.
Preparing fodder in advance ensures the goats receive fresh, evenly cut feed as part of their daily nutrition plan. From housing and feeding to healthcare and management, every part of this goat farming system works together to keep
A well-designed system ensures the goats receive consistent care while the farm operates smoothly from day to day.